Hello, welcome to PatientPoint. We are so excited to have you join our community. Our goal is to make the installation process of your PatientPoint screens as simple and efficient as possible for you. Let's take a quick look at what you can expect next. You'll want to plan to be on-site the day of installation. Your onboarding coordinator will call you for a reminder of your installation 3 days prior to your set installation date, as well as send a complimentary email. Please confirm your installation date and time are still good to go at that time. Equipment will arrive to your office with your technician on the morning of your installation. Depending on how many screens your office is getting, there could be quite a few boxes coming your way, so be sure to have a space the technician can use to hold the equipment during installation that's out of the way. On the day of install, our technician will meet you at your office. First steps are making sure your network and all the equipment are working properly. Then we get to work mounting the devices. If we need to hardwire the devices, we will need to bring in a ladder and run cable through the ceiling. No need to worry though, our technicians know the importance of respecting the privacy and space of your providers and patients. Once installed, we will run final tests to make sure all of your PatientPoint devices are up and running and that you're good to go. All dust and debris will be properly cleaned up, and remaining packaging will be disposed of, so you're able to quickly get back to doing what you do best, caring for your patients.